Did you know gratitude is a drug? A doctor at Duke University Medical Center said if thankfulness were a drug, it would be the world's best-selling product with a health maintenance indication for every major organ system. Expressing gratitude leads to measurable effects on not just our brain, but also just about every system in our bodies, and grateful people are more optimistic and less likely to be depressed, anxious, or stressed. They also seem to experience less stress, less headaches, and less chest pains, plus are more self-confident and content in their lives. Here are some easy ways to boost your gratitude and change your life. Thank everyone. The sentiment of thanking your loved ones for their continual love and support shouldn't be limited to the holiday season. So get in the practice of always thanking people, especially for the little things. It will not only boost your mood and reduce your stress, but can be beneficial for the other person. Remember, gratitude is contagious. Be grateful for what you have. We all have something to be grateful for, whether it is your health, your relationships, or your career. Writing down a list of your blessings can increase your happiness and reduce your stress. Keeping a gratitude journal by your bed or a gratitude corkboard where you pin pictures can help you remember to be more grateful. Stay positive. Being grateful for the good things in life is only the beginning. It's also important to find positives and to be grateful in negative or disappointing situations. Seeing the painful, challenging things in your life as an opportunity for positive outcomes can help you become more grateful. Set gratitude reminders. Sometimes when experiencing holiday blues, it's easy to forget to be thankful in the chaos. That's why gratitude prompts can help and are so important. They can trigger feelings of gratefulness by reminding you of your goals and past obstacles that you overcome. Consider keeping pictures of family, small mementos on your desk, or set a timer on your smartphone to remind you to open your heart and be grateful for something every few hours or at least once a day. Take a 5-minute gratitude break. When you find yourself plagued with holiday stress, take a 5-minute break to close your eyes, breathe, and meditate on 3 things you are grateful for. Use these 3 things to keep you motivated throughout the day. Become your best you and discover more about this and other topics. Visit themindfullivingnetwork.com, where knowledge is our mission. Thanks for watching.